Nice sunshiny skies this morning. Make sure Tux's tail is out of the way. Nice sunny skies this morning after about a little over 1/10 of an inch of rain yesterday evening. Hi, Morris. Hi. You can see the boardwalk is still a little wet. Goodness, the chickens are loud this morning. So far, the little bowl riser's working well. Too soon to tell, though, I think. Oh, yeah, it's going to be a nice day for a drive. We're 10 degrees cooler today, but still plenty nice day for a drive. Things are starting to green up a bit. I'm seeing a few of the original daffodils and some crocus, purple crocus over there. It's pretty. I still haven't seen any of the daffodils we planted, though. Maybe we really did wait too late. Johnny should be here through Wednesday and then back home Sunday to head to school. I wanted him to see Valentine's Day decorations, and then, you know, when I'm not doing stuff with him, because I'll do whatever he wants to do, I'll be, you know, swapping over here. Tomorrow will be the 1st of March. I'll be swapping over to St. Patrick's Day stuff. There, Gray, good morning. I have a special surprise for you today. Johnny will be home tonight. He says he's got homework and he'll be in here to sit with you. I know you love it when your mama sits with you too, but yeah, you'll be happy to see Johnny for a few days. Yeah. Good girl. You boys hold down the fort. We're just going to walk for now, and we've got Ruby out because we're going to take Ruby to Charlotte. Hi, Stripey. I didn't see you there at first. Hello. But yeah, Don's on a conference call. We're walking. Don's talking for a minute. He'll catch up. Johnny had originally said to try to come at 1, and I told him it'd probably be closer to 2. And, you know, that way he can plan. 2 o'clock pickup still gets us home at 5. So, you know, not late or anything. Plenty of time for me to heat the lasagna for us. All that good stuff. I have on a jacket, but it's borderline warm, not warm today. No weight vest because we're in Ruby. Don's caught up with me. We're picking up trash in the field. I saw a Cybertruck go past and I waved. Give some love to the Cybertruck drivers because they're taking a lot of crap right now for us. And I want to let them know it's not all people making gestures and shouting bad things at them. First off, Don has on his new Guardian Angel shirt. It's fit nice. The sleeves are a little long, but actually Don really likes that when it's on cold winter mornings.
It's one of those sleeves you get to put your hands.
Yeah, it can be sort of a glove. But yeah, it looks nice. Yeah. I've been waiting to film this so you can put it where it belongs. It's your
tech support.
Oh. Well, if Elon sells that shirt, we'll be buying it too. But this is an Occupy Mars shirt.
Occupy Mars.
Yeah, it's not quite warm enough to wear it today. We're only going to be 60, so a long sleeve is without a jacket is probably the right answer. But, you know, Elon wears that one all the time. So Monday, when Starship is launching, this is your Monday shirt. Make sure to dress appropriately. Yes, and I ordered it. I think it's an XL and not a large because half the Tesla and SpaceX ones, they run a little small. So, yeah, it's hard to know with Don whether a large or extra large is the right after shrinkage.
Because I've had extra larges too big, and then I've had larges
too small. It's hard when you can't see it when you're picking it out. If I had held that up, I would have went, okay, Don can wear a large.
A large would have worked here.
Yes, but we also haven't washed it yet. That one can go in the dryer because I won't let Don put certain shirts in the dryer. It's like he looks at me and goes, is this one okay or not? What am I supposed to do? Well, you know, if it's running small, hang it up. If it's running big, throw it in the dryer and hope.
I understand. Thank you, sweetie.
It's 10:53 and we are on the move. It'll take us probably around 3 hours with a 15-minute stop. Although right now she's saying 2 hours and 33 minutes, but she's not counting the 15-minute stop. So anyway.
All right, here we go. It's gonna go all the way on FSD, baby. Oh, she's already fussing me. I need to get out of the neighborhood.
Well, she sort of does that most times, right when you engage FSD. She does one red hands thing every time. Pretty much.
Plus, I didn't have my hands at all on the wheel.
Right. You'll have to remember to keep to wiggle the wheel.
Oh, that's so like 19.
And she's gonna hit the pothole.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What are you gonna do?
Yeah. Well, she didn't hit it bad.
Well, it's the difference between her tires and Jules's tires.
This is probably true.
It didn't feel bad because it's Ruby.
Well, as long as it didn't splash mud up on her. Because I did the thing yesterday.
Right, yeah. Dawn definitely spent some time on her after I got coffee all over her.
Well,
Never thought I'd be saying that about the exterior. Oh, Donnie, I got sugary coffee all over the exterior of the car.
I smelled it. I mean, it was on.
It was strong.
It was, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't have to put my nose too close to it yesterday to figure out that it was sweet coffee. Yeah. So this is 407 pieces. I bought a second set, but just in case I ran out of stuff and felt like doing more. I love the eye piece. Anyway, I'm going to start tinkering with this on our trip. Look at the little ball of string and the mouse. The mouse is so cute. There are 3 bags total, I believe, and bag 1 built the yarn ball, the mouse, the food bowl, and the start of the body for the cat. And I'm going to start on bag 2 now. So far, it's pretty fun. I like how they did the yarn. This won't hold us up too long, but there's Julian Airport Road or something over here, and they've been working on an overpass that ties into another parkway road or something, and they've come a long way since the last time. They've been doing a lot, but
yeah, they've been working on this since we've been bringing Johnny, but it does look like it's getting closer to getting done.
Not a circle right there? Goodness. I don't know, maybe this airport's expanding, but I do know that this stretch of 421 is turning into interstate. And so I guess they're doing this new, whatever this is, the right way so that it's already up to snuff when they start converting the rest of the lanes to interstate lanes. Bag 2's complete, except I forgot to put 2 slopes on. Yeah, those 2. Time to build his legs in bag 3. I did say bag 2's complete, right? Here's the kitty, and we'll be at the Salisbury Supercharger in about 23 minutes. We're just cruising out here. Don hasn't been cussing Ruby too much today, nor has he been praising her too much today. It's sort of just been a typical FSD drive. She followed too close behind a car at high speed.
Following too now.
Yeah.
We're doing almost 78 miles an hour, and we're 3 car lengths at the most behind this guy.
Yeah, I don't like that following distance either, and we can't adjust it anymore. Don figured out how to go between chill and standard. It's the same turning the end of the knob like we used to do to set the desired following distance.
Right.
And anyway, it's been pretty even keeled today.
Other than the following distance, the only big boo-boo.
And Johnny has placed his Culver's lunch order. He's doing homework, the sales pitch. Please bring, usually we stop on the way back and let him get Culver's or Sheets, but Culver's is better.
Right.
And it's about the same price too. But today, starving college kid, bring me some Culver's. That's what I would be doing if it was me. Ruby's plugged in and charging. We have some sort of a calculation anomaly in the car. Don's filming it. They have a nice little dog park here they've added. Salisbury's heavy rescue firemen were having Culver's for lunch. There were 2 Teslas here when we pulled up, just 1 now. Don and I still are not seeing a lot of non-Teslas at superchargers. However, we don't go to superchargers all that often, so we're probably not a good litmus test.
So we're charging at 162 kilowatts, which for us is really good. But notice it's going to be 5 hours before we can continue our trip. Interesting. I guess the computer's a little wacky. But it is going down very quickly now. We'll see when we get back. So now it says we have enough to continue our trip, and it's 3 hours and 35 minutes. So a while ago, it just wasn't telling me how long to continue the trip. But now we've got enough, so we're good. And oh, by the way, it was scary when the Falcon Wing door was covering up the 49 psi for the right rear. It said 9 psi.
At the school, it's 1:50 p.m. Don and Johnny are walking inside to get robot stuff and going to put his bike inside the dorm area while nobody's there for a week. No sense leaving it locked up outside. We're here in Thomasville and it's short sleeve weather.
That's right.
I'm sorry you're wanting to go, but daggone it, I just got in the car. We've hardly been here for 10 minutes.
Yeah, but I unplugged and you didn't want to do all these extra
But the
things.
Cybertruck pulled in. It was very exciting. We still haven't seen any non-Tesla EVs today, but we've seen a Cybertruck now.
That's right.
And this is a busy little place here.
This is a jumping sheets. That's correct.
Well, we're coming up on 5 o'clock and we're coming up on the house. We're a couple miles away. Ruby has done most of the driving today. And it's nice blue skies. I would ask what temperature we got up to, but because Dawn's in FSD, I can't see. But it's at least 65 out there.
Oh, yeah, I'm very comfortable today.
Ruby says right now we've got 31 miles of range left. I think we'll make it.
I think so. I'm paying attention here for this little.
Right, well this is a weird intersection because it goes back to the left.
She
And
goes.
did you give her acceleration?
acceleration.
Yeah, why play around over here?
She was going to sit there with that log truck.
And then we were going to be waiting. Yep. We're home. Johnny's got homework to do, so he's in the back with Gray, trying to knock some of that out before dinner. I'm going to do a few things and then heat up the lasagna. It's just a little too early to eat.